If you are attending a wedding function and want your makeup to look glowy and long lasting, then keep watching this video. So I've already prepped my skin, so I'm going to start with the primer. So I'm using this Pilgrim Glow Primer. It's not only a pore building primer, but it also gives a very subtle glow to your skin, which I think it's perfect for wedding season. Next, I'm moving on to this Mars Cancel Concealer. So I'm applying it around my mouth and on my dark spot. I'm using slightly darker shade than my skin tone, and then I'm using a damp beauty sponge to blend it all together. So next, for the foundation, I'm going on with this PAC HD foundation. I don't apply foundation directly on my face. Instead, I take the foundation on the back of my hand and then I warm it up, and then I apply the foundation on all over my face. And now for the blending the foundation, I'm using a damp beauty sponge. Next, for brightening my under eyes, I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer, which is in a brightening shade. I don't remember the exact shade name, but I'm going to mention it in the description box. So yeah, I have applied under my eyes, around my mouth, and in between my forehead just to brighten it up. And for blending the concealer, I like to spray the setting spray onto the beauty blender and then I blend the concealer. And next, for the blush, I'm using this cream blush from Swiss Beauty. I'm just applying it on my cheeks and a little bit on my nose and also on my chin. And now for contour, I'm using this Hilary Rhoda contour stick. I'm just lightly applying contour on my cheeks, also contouring my nose just to enhance it, and then I'm blending it with the beauty blender. Next, for setting my base, I'm using this HD setting powder, which is from Inside Cosmetics. I'm just slightly setting my under eyes and around my mouth. Next, for eyebrows, I'm using this Swiss Beauty eyebrow filler. I just want my eyebrow to look very natural, so I'm just filling in the gaps and then I am brushing it. Now for eye makeup, I'm using this palette, which is from Hilary Rhoda. So firstly, I'm applying this light brown shade in my crease as a transition shade. After that, I'm using this kajal and applying it as eyeliner, and then I'm using a flat brush to smudge the kajal so that it look kind of smoky, and then I'm taking this dark brown shade and applying it on the center of my eyelid. Lastly, I'm adding a golden shimmer shade because wedding eye makeup looks incomplete without shimmer and glitter shade. Next, for drawing inner eyeliner, I'm using this eyeliner from GLAM 21. Next, I'm using this dark brown shade and applying it on the lower lash line. Lastly, I'm applying mascara, which is from Swiss Beauty. As you are attending a wedding party, so you can also go for a false lashes. Next up, I'm adding some powder blush on my cheeks, on my nose, and then I'm adding some highlighter on my cheekbones and on the tip of my nose. And now just look at the glow. And now for the lip combo, firstly I'm going on with this Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade light brown. I am just outlining my lips and giving it a perfect shape. After outlining my lips, I like to smudge it. And now for lipstick, I'm going on with this Swiss Beauty liquid lipstick. So this is in the shade kind of nude pink. So after that, I again apply lip liner in the shade chocolate brown. So my eye makeup was looking little incomplete without white kajal, so I'm just adding some white kajal. And yeah, this is the final look. This is how my makeup has turned out. It looks so glowy and fresh, and it's perfect for wedding functions. So if you like my video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel.